Nowadays, JavaScript is used not just for front-end development but also for the back-end. For instance, Node.js can be used to combine the website development process with a single language to give an idea of JavaScript's full-stack development capability. Now, Mean is a popular full-stack JavaScript platform. The search phrase "hire JavaScript developer online," well, it is more popular than "hire Java developer online" for people looking for a full-stack developer. And to be a JavaScript developer, you need to be proficient in all the concepts of it. Hello and a very warm welcome. Today we are going to talk about the browser object model. But first of all, let us see the agenda of this lecture. We will first see what BOM is, then the window object provided by BOM. After that, the method to get the width and the size of the browser. So, what is BOM? Well, the browser object model or BOM is a browser-specific convention referring to all the objects exposed by the web browser. The BOM allows JavaScript to interact with the browser. The object of the window represents a browser window and all its corresponding features. In simple words, the browser object model or BOM, it allows JavaScript to talk to the browser. Since modern browsers have implemented almost the same methods and properties for JavaScript interactivity, it is often referred to as methods and properties of the BOM. BOM provides a window object. So, let us talk about that window object. The window object is supported by all browsers. It represents the browser's window. All the global JavaScript objects, functions, and variables, they automatically become members of the window object. Global variables are properties of the window object. Global functions are methods of the window object. Even the document object of the HTML DOM, well, it is a property of the window object. Window.document.getElement by ID header is the same as document.getElement by ID header. We can get the size of the browser window as well. Let us see how we can do that. We can get the size of the browser windows. Two properties can be used to determine the size of the browser window. Both properties return the sizes in pixels. Window.innerHeight, the inner height of the browser window in pixels. Window.innerWidth, the inner width of the browser window in pixels. But yes, do remember, the browser window, the browser viewport is not including toolbars and scroll bars. Now, let us jump into the code to understand that. In this example, we are getting the size of the browser by applying two methods. In this example, we are getting the size of the browser by applying the two window methods, window.innerWidth and window.innerHeight. Let us see the output. Great, it shows your browser's width and height. Now there are few other methods as well. Window.open, open a new window. Window.close, close the current window. Window.moveTo, move the current window. And window.resizeTo, that is, resize the current window. So that is it for today, guys. We will meet very soon in the next lecture with the next BOM concept. Till then, stay connected and stay safe. Bye.